Hey friends, if you wish to fix the kernel data in page error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disconnect peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. Why? Because they push drivers into the system and that causes conflict with the existing drivers, thus causing the problem. Next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Now this will initiate the check disk scan and that will solve your problem. And lastly, you can run the Windows memory diagnostic tool. So search for memory diagnostic in the Windows search bar, go to Windows memory diagnostic, click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.